today we are going to see how to make bootable pen drive of Mac OS. It's a Mac OS Ventura. Uh, there are two types. One is MBR type is there, and next one is GPT type. So MBR is like a master boot record, and GPT is like a guide partition table. So I already did GPT, so now I am doing MBR type. So first, whenever we start the video, before that you have to check for your CPU status, like CPU code name. So just we'll open it. See, first of all, before we are going to video, I'm going to say that I'm going to keep every link in my video so that it will be very easy to everyone to download, and just you can go for the easy process. So whatever links are necessary, whatever downloads are necessary in this Mac OS, I'm going to keep every link in my channel video. So now we'll start. Just you people just watch it, and then whichever tool I am going to download, just you people also download it and continue your Mac OS. So now we'll open CPU ID. Yes, no is there. Just click on yes. First, you people just click on CPU ID, download it and install it. See, here we can see CPU Z open, and there we can see name Intel Pentium, and code name is Broadwell U. So this is my system code name. So you have to check for your system code name. So here you can see code name, and then okay, it is completed. And next you have to open Bellina at Etcher. See here, Bellina Etcher is there. I opened it. Now you have to select flash from file, desktop. See here, Olerile Ventura is there. Just click on that file and open. That here you can see this is my SanDisk pen drive. It's my pen drive. SanDisk cursor blade. So just select it and select one. Flash. Starting. Just go for yes. Yes or no? Yes. Flashing 0%. See here we can see flash has been completed. One successful target. So it has been completed, and next step we have to go for next step. Open mini tool partition. Yes or no? Yes. Here we can see mini tool partition wizard free. See, here we can see partitions disk 1, disk 2, disk 3. So disk 2 is my pen drive. So right click on it, change letter. I'm going to select L, then OK. See, my partition letter has been changed as L, and then apply. All pending changes. Now we'll check it. Now once we'll check that partition letter has been changed or not. Yes, it has been changed to L. Next, Explorer. Explorer is nothing but it's an advanced version of. Now we'll open Explorer plus plus. Explorer plus plus is nothing but it's an advanced version of File Explorer. Just double click and open it and run as administrator. Please remember everyone that don't open directly. Right click on your mouse and then open with run as administrator. Then yes. If not, it will not open. You have to open with administrator. See, it has been open. Delete it. Delete 3 files. We are deleting 3 folders. 246 items. See, I deleted entire things. And now open Broadwell. Broadwell, here we can see Broadwell. Then open it. Double click. Here we can see Mac. So now our process has been completed. Just check for these all whatever links I am going to give. Just you have to go through that links and then you have to complete your process. And now my process has been completed and my bootable pen drive has been ready. Now you have to restart your system. Restart your system or laptop. So your Mac OS